Hey there, everyone. This is Shelby with On the Move Charlotte, continuing our vendor video series. Today, I'm excited that we are interviewing John Renger with Renger and Reynolds. They're who we trust with our clients to help them out with the closing process, make sure everything is smooth and seamless. Before I continue talking to him, I have him here there to tell you about him. John, tell me about it. Tell me about your company.
Thanks, Shelby. Yeah, Renger and Reynolds, Bess Reynolds and I have worked together for a few years, and we decided to jump out and start our own firm. We did it at the timing was perfect, right in the start of the coronavirus. So we've had a few hiccups, but we're pretty streamlined, and that's one of the things we like about our office, that we are close knit, and Bess and I are just involved in every file with Vicky, who's our paralegal. We handle all aspects of residential real estate transactions. If things get litigious, we have a number of colleagues in other firms we can refer clients to, but we handle the real estate transactions.
Okay, great. And where are you guys located?
Good question. We're located in South Park. Easy access to a lot of banks. A lot of people have to wire funds or get certified checks. Just about every national institution has a location here in South Park, so it's a great place to be. Easy parking. We're at 5950 Fairview, which is in a building behind the Panera on Fairview. A lot of people seem to know where the Panera is.
I think everybody knows where the Panera is. So tell me about, things are going to maybe get back to normal, but I'm sure your customer service and everything, that's going to stay the same. But tell me, when do you think that we'll start getting back into doing closings in person right now?
Yeah, well, we're already conducting some closings in person. We're real careful. People are masked up, and we wipe down the tables and use disposable pins. So people that use the pins take those with them, or we throw them away. We're staggering clients, that is clients and sellers. Sellers may come in early or not at all. A lot of the documentation we're emailing out, which we used to do before anyway, when sellers couldn't make it to closing if they were out of state. Here, sometimes the sellers are just down the street, but we're still emailing documents out. They're getting them notarized and overnighting them or just dropping them back off to us.
Now, I know that one of the reasons why we use you guys, but for the people who maybe are looking at different options on what attorneys that they should use, what would you suggest to those people?
Well, Bess and I have been doing this for a long time. Between the two of us, we've got 30 years of experience here in North Carolina, and Bess is licensed in South Carolina as well, so we've got some flexibility there. If you've got a transaction that's on both sides of the border, we can certainly help. We've got a lot of
North and South Carolina, right?
Exactly. We have a lot of experience with the agents in the area, and one of the things, again, that I mentioned earlier, we like is that she and I are both hands-on. There's not a big phone tree here that you're going to call into. We've got a really manageable client base, and we'd like to keep it that way.
Right, and I definitely can say that we experience that with you guys as well.
Thanks.
So is there anything, just if somebody's new to buying a home or selling their home, or it's been a while, what's a little tidbit that you could give them through this process of what to expect, or maybe just a tip?
Yeah, well, enjoy the ride. There's always a little bit of a hiccup somewhere along the way. There are a lot of moving pieces, and sometimes an appraiser won't make it out to the property because there are a lot of, this is a hot market, and there can be some delays. Sometimes the title examination will reveal a judgment or an old lien that needs to be taken care of. But generally, if you're working with an experienced agent, an experienced attorney, a good mortgage lender, everybody's going to see you through to the end.
Yes. So where could they find you if they want to learn more information about you?
Yeah, our website, it's Renger and Reynolds. And so we tried to be easy with the website, r&rlawfirm.com.
Yes, it was really easy.
lawfirm.com.
All right, great. And then we'll make sure everyone too that we'll put their information below under the comments. Then if you need any help or any additional information about them, we'd be happy to give it to you. Other than that, thanks so much, John. I really appreciate it.
Well, thank you, Shelby. I really appreciate it.
Take care.
Call us if you need us. Take care.
I do.